Come test drive the 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable are all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, keyless start, four-wheel drive, cruise control, climate control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.